Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate.
There we go. Team Gwen throwing their CD across the arena. As it should be done. Nottingham collectively piling up together in a kind of mosh pit. Goodness me. The drum on Sandy Cheeks is getting rather loud now.
Enable.
Okay, so we're just checking in on this fight. We've got the two larger bots having a good tussle in one corner, and the smaller guys all kind of flailing around the pit at the moment. Some lovely sanding going on. The arena floor smoother than it's ever been. Everyone having slight mobility issues by this point of the day. And we've had a pit touch by the Oh, it's a good time to be by the pit. Except for if you're on
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cease.
Aha! So that will cease. We're going to have the robots over towards the door. That would be lovely, because there's a lot of you.